Welcome to this guided meditation for stress relief and inner calm. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, tense, or mentally scattered, this short practice will help you reset. By the end of this session, you may feel lighter, clearer, and more grounded, ready to return to your day with a calmer mind and a softer heart. There's no need to do anything perfectly. Just follow my voice and give yourself permission to relax. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. You can sit on a cushion, a chair with your feet flat on the ground, or lie down if that feels better. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Let your hands rest comfortably on your lap or by your sides. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply and exhale fully. One more time, breathe in calm and exhale tension. Let's take 3 deep breaths together. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Again, inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale deeply and let it all go. Now allow your breath to settle into its natural rhythm. No need to control it, just notice it. Notice the feeling of the air as it moves in and out. Feel your body being supported by the ground beneath you. With each breath, imagine your body softening. Relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw. Soften your forehead and let your arms and legs feel heavy and grounded. Now bring your attention gently to your body. Start with your feet. Notice any tension and allow it to melt away as you exhale. Now, your legs, your hips, your stomach and chest. With each breath, allow more softness. Move your awareness to your hands and arms, your shoulders, your neck, and finally your face. Anywhere you notice tightness or discomfort, simply breathe into it and let it go. Now, imagine your stress as a gentle cloud inside your body. With each breath out, imagine that cloud slowly floating away. Picture it dissolving into the air, lighter and lighter with every exhale. There's no need to push, just let it happen naturally, gently. Breathe in calm and breathe out tension. Now that you've made space by letting go of stress, invite in something peaceful. It might be a word, a feeling, or even a warm light. With every inhale, breathe in that peaceful energy and let it gently spread through your body. Feel that calmness in your chest, your hands, your entire being. Take one more deep cleansing breath. Inhale fully and exhale slowly. Bring awareness back to your body. Feel the ground beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently roll your shoulders. If your eyes are closed, slowly open them when you're ready. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up, for breathing, and for taking care of your mind. You can return to this feeling of peace anytime, just by pausing and breathing. Thank you for being here. May you carry this calm into the rest of your day.